Hey everyone, in this video I will walk you through an automated price monitoring workflow that describes competitor product prices from Amazon using an Apify actor, stores product details in Notion, compares them in Anatan and sends Slack notification whenever a price change is detected. It starts with the scheduled trigger which runs on daily basis or or weekly of your choice. Then the Notion node fetch all product records from a database page like product name, last price, and competitor URL. This is a Notion page. The database name is product details, and the pages contain product name, SQA code, last known price, currency, last check, and status track, notes, and comparison details, which will be filled out later on. Then a set node to normalize what I want to use later on, like ID, name, last known price. It filters the data. Then loop to check each product individually. I connect the data into a loop using split and batches one by one. This lets me cycle through product one by one. This is the Apify actor run. Here I am getting the last run dataset of my Apify actor, which is this. It scraps the data of this page. This is the output. Cell phone price is this, rating, review, and a URL. Due to a usage issue, I'm not running the actor again, but we can also run the actor by this HTTP node passing a URL like this in the JSON format. We have to just replace the HTTP nodes. Let's loop it through it. And it got the last run dataset. This function node handles the comparison between scrap price and stored price. Like here it's showing a new price which we have scrapped through an Apify actor, old price from our Notion page 1566, and a status comparison, and the URL is passing through, and a Slack formatted message. So let's execute the workflow now. Let's check the Notion page. The price is updated with 566. Status is updated. Comparison is lower. And check the Slack notification as well. It's showing the product name, old price, new price, change, updated at this time. View product URL is also provided. This workflow keeps your pricing database fresh, alerts you on price drops, and fully automates your Amazon competitor tracking. Thanks for watching.